Here's a simplified step-by-step guide on how to buy crypto in MetaMask wallet. Open your MetaMask wallet in your web browser. To buy crypto, you can go to MetaMask Portfolio by visiting portfolio.metamask.io, or you can use the Buy button in the MetaMask extension wallet. For simplicity, we'll use MetaMask wallet. Click the Buy button to start the purchase process. Here, you can see your wallet address, regions of choice, currency that belongs to your current location. If you look a bit lower, you can see multiple options of networks and cryptocurrencies. And, even lower, payment methods. Select your region from the options provided. Choose the payment method you want to use for your crypto purchase. Pick the cryptocurrency token you want to buy, for example, USDT, and the network it's on, usually Ethereum. Enter the amount of crypto you want to buy in terms of your local currency. You'll see quotes from different providers. Select one of the providers from the list that you want to buy from. Should you be interested in any other provider, you will have to register on any of those websites to proceed. You'll be securely redirected to the provider's website to finish the purchase. Follow their instructions to complete the transaction. After completing the purchase, the crypto funds will be deposited into your MetaMask wallet. Congratulations! You've successfully bought crypto using MetaMask. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing to our channels for more insightful content. Happy crypto journey!